Okay everyone, welcome to this beautifully crafted tiny home on wheels with this sophisticated curved, asymmetrical design. This mobile retreat redefines modern tiny living. Step inside this beautifully designed small home where modern elegance meets cozy comfort. With its stunning curved ceiling and bright airy ambience, this space offers a perfect retreat for those who appreciate both style and functionality. The use of white wooden panels on the walls enhance the sense of space, making the interior feel open and inviting. Natural light streams in through the multiple windows, creating a warm and refreshing atmosphere, and the kitchen is thoughtfully designed to maximize efficiency without compromising on beauty. And the clean and minimalistic layout offers ample counter for space meal preparation, while the stove and sink are conveniently placed for easy access. Whether you are brewing your morning coffee or preparing a delicious meal, this kitchen makes everyday tasks feel effortless and enjoyable. And just a few steps away, the bathroom area provides a tranquil escape. The bed is positioned to take advantage of the natural light, making it the perfect spot to wake up in a peaceful morning or unwind after a long day. And carefully selected decor adds a personal touch to the space, making it feel like home while maintaining a modern, clutter-free aesthetic. This dining area completes this thoughtfully designed space with a beautifully crafted wooden table and comfortable seating. It is perfect place to enjoy meals, work remotely, or share moments with loved ones. And imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee here, surrounded by the warm glow on natural light and to shooting wooden tones off the floor beneath your feet. Every detail in this home is designed to create a perfect balance between beauty and practically, from the curved ceiling to the cozy bedroom and the modern kitchen and the inviting dining area. This space proves that small living can be both style and functional. From the lovebed sleeping area to the cozy sitting nook, this space is perfect blend of style and practically. One of the standout features of this home is elevated lovebed, accessible via a sturdy set of steps. This clever design maximizes floor space while creating a private and peaceful retreat both the main living area. The loft bed offers a snug and inviting sleeping space, ideal for curling up with a book or simply enjoying the restful night sleeps. Surrounded by warm wooden tone and soft lighting, it creates an intimate and relaxing atmosphere throughout the space. Thoughtful decor adds charm and personality. Lush green plants breathe life into the interior, bringing a touch of nature indoor, while frame artwork enhance the wall with a stylish and artistic flair. Simple yet elegant details like a bowl of fresh fruit on the countertop not only add warmth but also a refreshing pop of color to the room. And one of the most striking elements of this tiny home is the abundance of natural light streaming through the large window. Whether it's sunrise or sunset, the ever-changing sceneries outside makes the space feel expansive and connected to nature. This seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living enhances the overall sense of tranquility, making the home feel open and airy despite its complex size. And in the heart of the living space, a cozy sitting area invites relaxation. The cushion bench paired with a simple yet stylish wooden table and creates the perfect spot to enjoy a cup of coffee, get some work done, or simply unwind while admiring the views outside. And this charming nook offers a versatile space that adapts to your need, whether it's for work, dining, or moments of quiet reflection. With its loft bed, cozy sitting area, beautiful natural light, and charming decor, this tiny home proves that small space can be both stylish and incredibly functional. Okay, this is a beautiful design of bathroom where elegance meets practically in a unique curved space. With its sophisticated details, modern fixture, and a touch of natural charm, this bathroom redefined that what a small yet luxurious space can be. The curved design of this bathroom is not just visually stunning, it also creates a more spacious and inviting feel. The white wooden panels add warmth and texture, bringing a timeless elegance to the interior. Natural light plays a crucial role in this bathroom design. The two strategically placed windows brighten the space during the day, reducing the need of artificial lighting while creating a fresh and open environment. Whether you're starting your morning with the first rays of sunshine or winding down in evening. This space offers a tranquil and refreshing experience. At the heart of the bathroom is beautifully designed vanity area, and the combination of solid white sink and luxurious granite countertop add both durability and sophistication, and the wooden frame mirror adds a touch warmth and character, blending seamlessly with the natural tones of the space. It not only enhances the aesthetic but also reflects the natural light, making the bathroom feel even more open and spacious. To the right, the toilet is positioned against intricate mosaic tile backsplash, adding a subtle yet stylish contrast to the white wooden panels. The mosaic design brings texture and depth, transforming a simple functional area into a striking focal point. And this carefully chosen backsplash not only elevates the aesthetic but also adds a personal artistic touch to the overall design. And the ceiling feature modern recessed lighting ensure the space remain well lit even at night. The built-in fan enhance airflow, keeping the bathroom fresh and comfortable at all times. And ventilation is okay. And about the ventilation is the key of bathroom, and with this integrated fan, humidity and moisture, and effectively manage maintaining a longevity of materials while providing a pleasant atmosphere. And the choice of flooring adds yet another layer of depth and character to this bathroom. The dark pattern tiles create a bold contrast against the lighter elements, grounding the space and adding a sense of richness and luxurious. And elements grounding the space and adding a sense of risk and luxurious. It's not only does it enhance the aesthetic but also provides the durability and functionality essential feature or for any bathroom. And from its unique curved architecture to the thoughtful combination of texture and material, this bathroom is a perfect example of how design and functionality can coexist beautifully. Okay, so what do you think about the stunning bathroom design? Okay, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition, and this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of opening and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you useful ideas and inspiration. Okay, so what do you think about this beautiful design small home, and would you love to live in this space like this? Please text in the comment column below and just wait for my next video in this content. Thanks for watching and have a good day.